Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing N8N versus Relevance AI. So if you don't know what these two are, N8N is an open source workflow automation tool that enables users to create complex workflows through a visual interface, supporting over 400 integrations and offering flexibility for both technical and non-technical users. And now let's head on over to Relevance AI. So Relevance AI is a no-code platform designed for building and deploying AI agents, enabling businesses to automate tasks using large language models without requiring extensive programming knowledge. So let's go over their pros and cons, starting with N8N here. So N8N has extensive integrations with over 400 apps and services. It has a visual workflow builder, simplifies automation creation, which is this one. This is the drag and drop. So if you're familiar with nodes, it is very easy for you. It also supports custom code for advanced use cases and offers both self-hosted and cloud deployment options. Now, we get to the cons of N8N, which is that it may have a steeper learning curve for beginners, especially this one. So if you're not familiar with nodes, it can get confusing sometimes. So another one would be it is less focused on AI agent development compared to specialized platforms. And let's head on over to Relevance AI here. So the pros of Relevance AI is that it facilitates rapid development of AI agents without coding. It offers templates and tools for various business applications, and it ensures data privacy with SOC Type 2 and GDPR compliance. And finally, it includes features for managing and monitoring AI agents. Now, the cons of Relevance AI is that it may be less flexible for general workflow automation tasks and is limited to the functionalities provided within the platform. So, which one is right for you? So you should choose N8N if you're looking for a versatile workflow automation tool with extensive integrations and the ability to incorporate custom code. And you should opt for Relevance AI if you are focused on building and deploying AI agents quickly without coding, especially for tasks like customer support and sales automation. And yeah, that is it. That is the difference between N8N and Relevance AI. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.